State kidnapping. That's how Vice President Sara Duterte describes what happened to former President Rodrigo Duterte, who she claims was forcibly taken and flown to the Netherlands under an ICC warrant. Even the VP was blocked from entering Villamor Air Base last night, where her father was held before the plane's takeoff.
Very much pamumulitika ito. Kahit ang ibang bansa nagsalita na, 'di ba? At saka saan ka ba naman nakahanap ng military airbase na chief PNP ang in charge at siya ang nagsasabi kung sino ang pwedeng pumasok at hindi pumasok.
VP Sara is set to follow her father to the Netherlands, though she did not say when.
Meron na pong arrangements kasi kailangan ko kausapin yung mga abogado doon kung saan man siya dalhin. Pupunta kami, ako, at pupunta yung mga abogado and doon kami mag-uusap kung ano yung mga gagawin.
Duterte said she spoke with an ICC lawyer who said this has never happened before and described it as crazy.
Saan ka ba nakahanap ng bayan na yung kanyang citizen mismo ibibigay niya sa dayuhan? Nakakahiya bilang isang Pilipino.
Digong had told her to go home and reassured that he is okay, but she refused.
Hindi dahil tatay ko siya, pero dahil hindi ko matanggap na nagiging doormat tayo ng mga dayuhan.
She also revealed that before the arrest, she sent a letter to President Bongbong Marcos asking about the government stance. Marcos replied that there would be no cooperation with the ICC, a letter she plans to make public. She's now preparing for a possible ICC arrest.
My mother warned me about me as the next target for the ICC.
She warns that Marcos' administration has shown extreme oppression, abuse, and greed, and that the real issue is not her own impeachment or the ICC case, but how the country has stagnated under this government. PRRD's youngest daughter, Kitty Duterte, also calls the arrest kidnapping. On her Instagram story, she took a photo of the plane carrying her father. Kitty was with Digong the entire day yesterday until the former president was taken to the plane. She posted a photo of her torn turtleneck, claiming it was a result of harassment by those who were supposed to protect the country. Her brother, Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte, also slammed the former president's arrest. In a shared post, he questioned how someone who fought criminals could be branded a criminal himself, calling it a crime in itself. Just like VP Sara, Baste thinks what happened was nothing short of kidnapping. Across Mindanao, Duterte supporters gathered in protest. In cities like Davao, Cotabato, and Tagum, crowds held rallies demanding PRRD's release. As of the latest monitoring, some Duterte supporters remained outside Villamor Air Base last night, even after PRRD's plane left for the Netherlands. Hannah T, Billionario News Channel.